Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this low bubble ponytail. This ponytail is really trendy right now. I've been seeing it all over the internet and I wanted to try it with my own hair. I usually see it with really long extensions and weave, but I thought, hey, I probably could do this with my own hair. So, and I also wanted to do a low ponytail. I see it a lot with high ponytails. So let's just get into it. I started off with my paddle brush. This is what I typically use to detangle my hair instead of a comb. So I'm just going to start brushing this out, make sure everything is detangled for the ponytail. So what I am actually going to use a comb for is to make my part. So I'm just going to go and make sure that's straight. And I wanted to do a side part. And then I'm just going to go and detangle again and make sure it's good. So now I'm going to need my hard brush to really just slick this back and make sure it is as straight as it can be. With no gels or anything, just dry, because if I put gel in it on my straight hair, I'm going to have to rewash it, and I just washed my hair and I have a lot of hair. So no gel, just brushing it back. And now I'm going to get my ponytail as tight as I can get it. So now we're just going to need some rubber bands, and I'm using regular old rubber bands, and as you'll see, I'm going to take my time with this just so that I don't break off my hair with these rubber bands. So I'm moving very carefully with this, and if I do that, I'll be good. So I'm just taking section by section and I'm placing the rubber bands just where I think they'll look the best. And I kind of, if the rubber band didn't fit how I liked it, I would tie it twice, but if it fit well, I would just do it once. So I'm just kind of playing around with it to see how tight I want each section. So now we're at the point where we want to start pulling on each section to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to kind of play around with each section, figure out how big I want it, and I'm going to work all the way down. So that is literally it, y'all. This is so simple. I love this ponytail. So yeah, that's it. As always, I would love some love. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!